Alright, so what's up guys? I want you to say hello to my 1993 Honda Accord EX Coupe, as you can see with 2 doors, 5-speed manual transmission. This here is my baby. I'm going to tell you a little bit about this car. This is one of the first cars I drove when I got my license years and years and years ago. And I've always wanted this car. The thing I love most about it is that it's got this armrest right there. That part is probably my favorite feature of the car. And plus the design, you know, I mean, look at it. It's low to the ground, it's very sleek, it's timeless, it's very simple. It's got some age on it, you know, it's 2019 now, and you can see it's got some of the top coat is gone, but over time I'm going to try to get that finished or fixed, and you know, maybe wrap it or something. But if you guys got some comments or some suggestions as to what I should do, hit me up. And if you want to keep up with this project and go along with how I am taking care of it and driving and anything else you want to know, hit that subscribe button. And also I want to talk about wheels, because you guys seem to like wheels. So what are we going to do about this? Alright, see you next time.